There is another free certification courses on Python, and the name of the course is Python for Beginners certification course. This course is offered by CloudX Lab. From this course, you'll be able to learn the Python foundations, conditional execution, loops, strings, files, list, Tuples, Dictionaries, Jupyter, and Linux from industry expert. Here you can see the rating of the course is 853. And already 3,532 students enrolled these courses, and it is a 30 hours long course, and here one project is included in these courses. And if we scroll it here further, then here you can see that course syllabus is here, then here you can see the project is included here and the certificate. After completing this course, you will get your free certificate like this way with your name. Okay, so here you can see that to enroll this course we will have three options. If you just would like to enroll this course and get free certificate, then you should select the first option here. And here the second option is that course plus lab plus 30 days course plus 30 days lab plus certificate, and you'll have to pay $12 for this. And the third option is that course plus lab plus certificate, and it is the 90 days lab, and you will have to pay $29. So if you don't have money right now, I will recommend you select the first one. So when you select the first one, then here you will get this payment order confirmation page, and you may need to wait here for 10 or 15 seconds because they will process your order. Thereafter, you need to log in your Gmail account, the account you used to create account here in this CloudX Lab. So okay, I'm showing you how you'll get mail. Okay, in this like this way you'll get your mail from CloudX Lab. Then you just need to simply click the mail, and here you can see that you can start learning right away by enrolling in the course of your choice here. So when you click here this option, then here you'll get this page. Okay, you'll get this page like this way. Here it is the feed page. So from this page you just need to simply click over there, my courses. When you click on my courses, then you'll get all of your courses that you enroll here. Here you can see the list of the courses I enrolled here. So from there you can enroll your you can start enrolling your course from there, and after completing this course you'll get your free certificate. So please check the video description to get the link of these free courses.